In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your tax return PDF from TurboTax. Let's get started by opening your web browser and going to the official TurboTax website. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're on the legitimate site and that you're connected to a secure network, especially if you're handling tax documents. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look near the top of the screen for the option labeled Tax Home. Click that. Tax Home is your central hub in TurboTax, and it's where you'll find access to your prior returns, documents, and progress for different years. On the Tax Home page, scroll down until you see a section called Tax Returns and Documents, or a similarly named link. This area is dedicated to your filed returns. If you don't spot it right away, keep scrolling. It's usually a bit below the main summary. Sometimes the wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the section that groups your tax years together. Next, choose the tax year for the return you want to download. This is important because many people have multiple years available and you want to make sure you're grabbing the exact year you need, whether that's the most recent return or one from a few years back. After selecting the correct year, the page will show you the available actions for that year's return. Now look for the option that says Download or Print Return. Click that link. TurboTax will generate a PDF for you, which typically includes your full return. Depending on your setup, the file may open in a new browser tab or begin downloading automatically. If it opens in your browser, use the download icon to save a copy to your computer. Once the PDF is saved, choose a secure and easy-to-find location on your device. Consider renaming the file with the tax year in the name so it's simple to identify later. If you need a paper copy, you can print directly from the PDF viewer. It's a good idea to verify that the PDF includes everything you expect, such as the federal return, and state if applicable. That's it. By signing in, heading to Tax Home, finding tax returns and documents, selecting the right year, and clicking Download or Print Return, you'll have a cleaned PDF copy of your tax return saved for your records. Keep your documents secure, and you'll be ready whenever you need them for loans, applications, or future filings.